What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I come to you today for some sad news. I use a lot of Apple products. I like the iPads and the iPad Pros. And I looked at Jerry Rig Everything video, and he showed how fragile the iPad is by bending. Well, I have the iPad Pro 13 inch or 12.9 inch, and I never thought that I would have a iPad to bend. So I always use extra precaution, and I have a case for it. And when I put it in my bag, I put it in my bag and it's nice, safe, and secured. I took my iPad out of my bag, and to my surprise, it was bent and the screen was cracked. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the bag and my cracked 12.9 inch iPad Pro. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Lord, I got a bent iPad, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So this is the bag I always keep my iPad Pro in. It's a very nice cushioned bag. I got my other iPad here, and I always keep it in this case, right? So y'all probably seen this iPad a lot on this YouTube channel. I use this to type a lot with my keyboard. But I always use my bigger iPad sometimes if I want to get some heavy duty work done. So it's a nice bag. It has a lot of cushion in it. And when I took my iPad Pro out of the bag, I looked and I seen a crack here, right? Look at that. And I got a case on it, and it's bent. So let me take the case off my iPad Pro, and I want y'all guys to see that the iPad Pro is bent. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys some different camera angles of my iPad Pro that is bent. So check this out. So as you can see, my iPad Pro, it's bent, and it's still working everything. Put my numbers in, and so yes, there it is. And you can see the split. Look at that. You see that split right there? That up closer to the camera. Wow, that's weird. So I wanted to make this video so y'all guys can see that I had a case on it, and show you the back of the device. It's clean, beautiful, brand new in the back. No scratches, no scars, nothing. Just perfect. Beautiful. Classy. I mean, I'm quite sure something happened for it to bent and the glass crack. But yeah, it's bent. Look at that curve right there. Yes. So I now am a victim of a bent iPad. I mean, it looked like a seesaw. Look at that. So this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I just wanted to make a video so y'all guys can see that I have a cracked and bent iPad. Now let's see, check it out from a distance. As you can see, the seesaw right there, right in the middle. All right, see you guys on the next video. with a cracked iPad. Peace. I mean, that thing is cracked. Look at that. Later.